Welcome back! Another day, another question. Do you have a challenge with your teenager? Listen to this question. What to do when a teenager doesn't stick to an agreement? Well, first of all, you gotta check if you taught them that. Are you always sticking to all the agreements and promises you have, that you gave, that you kind of set up? And if you don't, how you deal with that? Do you apologize and say what you will do in the future that doesn't happen again? Or you are ignoring it, kind of, oh, it's okay, nobody sees this. And then you gotta know that if you don't stick to some little agreement, you still didn't stick to an agreement. So it doesn't matter to what agreement your teenager doesn't stick to, whether you think it's big or small. Point is, if you don't stick to an agreement and you don't acknowledge that, and then you don't clean up the mess that the broken agreement is causing, that's what they're gonna do. And they will pick their own agreements that they won't stick to, whatever suits them or not. So that's one thing. Another thing, the only thing that usually changes or impacts people in a way that they start behaving in a different way or start honoring the agreements is that you tell them what is the impact on you when that agreement was broken or not being stick to it. That is the only thing that usually people are like, oh, maybe it's better I hold on to the agreement because I don't want to leave my mother in a space of that she doesn't trust me anymore, therefore she doesn't trust herself, she thinks she's a bad mother, and all that things that are going on when we don't stick to an agreement. Let's say we don't clean up the bed when we said that we will do it. And then third way to do it is you can give them their own medicine. They don't stick to an agreement, you might agree something with them, but then you don't follow through once. And when you don't follow through and they're all upset and you know they don't like it, you ask them, how is that for you now? Do you like it? Are you okay with it? Should I say like, why are you nervous now? Why are you annoying now? Why are you annoyed? Why are you la la, like you do it with me? So what about if we say, you know, we have an agreement that our community, our team, our family works, that this relationship works, and let's just stick to them and do what we agreed on and have a cool life. What do you say? That's what I got. More of it. If you're lost in it, if you can't deal with it, there is always our mentorship program called Legend for Life. You know, teams build the map of life, and it's a really effective program. It works really fast. The changes in the families are immense. More of it in bio. Contact us, comment, you know, whatever you need. You're not alone. Until next time, have a good day. Bye-bye.